morning, people. Yesterday, Saturday, I had a service call in a coffee place, very famous coffee place. They have a walk-in freezer down. Well, not really down, but it was in the 30s. Get on site and I noticed that the walk-in freezer, it was low on refrigerant. A lot of oil around the condenser. So I asked the customer, you want me to do the leak test and find the leak and do the repairs on overtime, or I can probably charge it for now. That is gonna keep you running until we coming back during normal hours. And he decided to just charge it and come back during the week when it's not so expensive for him. I left the job, and that night, the same day, yesterday, they called me because the freezer is not going on temperature. So what I'm thinking is that the freezer lost the refrigerant that I put in. Probably the leak is bigger than before. I put 5 pounds in it of 404. So right now the thing is different. So I asked the guy again, and he says, well, I don't want to lose all my product, so we need to come back. And here I am, Sunday morning. Now it costs even more to the customer, but you know, it wasn't my decision. He decided yesterday to just charge it and come back during the week when it's not so expensive. But now we're sending paying even more. Right now it's gonna be the double of what it would cost for regular hours. So here I am. The problem is the walk-in cooler is right above the the condensing unit for the walk-in freezer is right above the walk-in box. And then I got the ceiling, so there is not too much room, probably what, 2 feet, and everything is you know, just not too much room for work. And also they got a bunch of boxes all around the condenser unit, so I have to tell these people to move all that out of the way and put the fire system on test, because also right above the condensing unit there is a smoke detector, and this place is a mall, so that had to be put on test, because when I'm doing brazing, I don't wanna get any problems. I don't want the fire department coming and evacuate the mall and anything like that. That it will be great for Sunday. So here I am. I'm gonna show you what I got in a minute. This is the walk-in freezer, the condensing unit specifically. She's almost empty. She's running on low pressure. So I found the leak. The leak is there. See it? Yeah. That's what we got. the idea is to replace this section with this that I just made. What I'm trying to avoid is to have this you know, angles, and try to go as smooth as I can. So I'm going like that, coupling at the end, and that's it. This is how the leaky looks like. And also I'm gonna here there is a suspicious place also. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna heat that too, make sure that everything is fine. They did a piece of crap job over here. But anyways, I'm gonna cut this over here, replace it with my piece. I'm gonna have a coupling on each end, and we go from there.
125 pounds just to start. Got 125 pounds. I'm gonna let it stay like that for a few minutes, and if she's not dropping, we're gonna put a good vacuum, charge it up, and get out of here. All right, I got so far 125. Got 35 minutes waiting. She didn't drop. So we're good to go. We're gonna put a good vacuum and charge this baby up. Alright, yesterday I had 5 pounds in the system, so we're gonna start with 5 pounds today. Pressure switch. Beautiful. Kind of tag over there that it says how many pounds of refrigerant I need, and it says 180 ounces. That comes up into 11 pounds and a quarter, probably a little, not a quarter, 25 ounces. So we're gonna keep pumping. So far I got 5.5 pounds. I hope I can make it with my job. I don't think I got that much. So far I got 6 pounds. I'm still going. I still have bubble. This condensing unit has these two receivers that have to be filled. It's not really necessary, but you know, this unit is not outside. But anyway, we don't have a. We have to fill it up anyways. We're gonna go with the factory charge. It. I got my 11 pounds and some of 404A. That's a beautiful thing. It's going in pump down, that means that she's satisfied. Beautiful. That's a beautiful thing. Alright, she pumped down, that means that she's good with the temperature. She's happy. She's happy, I'm happy. Alrighty. I believe that's it for today. That's enough for Sunday. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.